Hello everybody, Junior Computer Scientist here, and today we're going to go over binary trees. Now I know I've been gone for a while, and I haven't been posting anything. I haven't even given an update on my new job, and we'll go over that. But today, we're going to hop right into some binary trees. So this is just a very simple problem. You're just traversing a binary tree in order. And this is the first problem that I did in order to understand binary trees a lot better. And something that really helped me with binary trees, like a lot. Linked list. Gotta learn linked list first. But other than that, let's just get right on into this, So given the root of a binary tree, return the in-order traversal of its nodes values. So as you can see in this example here, we have 1, null, 2, 3, and this is what the tree actually looks like. And the output is 1, 3, 2. Since there's nothing to the left, 1 gets added, and then it goes to 3, 2, and that's it. And in this example here, if you go as far left as you can, you go to 4, you add the 4, add the 2, and now you're going all the way to the left. Well, you go right and then go left again. 6, nothing else. Add the 5, as you can see, everything is in order. 7, add the 7, and it's going back up to the 1 because now there's nothing else on this side. And then we're basically doing the same thing we did up here on this side, going all the way into the left. So 9, add the 8. I'm sorry, I messed up again. If I go here, as you can see, there's nothing to the left. So then we add the 3, and then we go here, go left 9, and then add the 8. And that's actually how this works. So with that being said, I'm going to actually do this using a stack. So what I do is stack. Well, I just initialize everything first. So stack, and it's going to take tree node, and I just name it stack with 2 Ks. I don't know why I do that, but I like to do that. And it's just going to equal root. No, it's not going to equal root. It's going to equal new stack. And then I'm going to add a list because we got to return a list. And I'm just going to name it result. And there's one other thing I want to do, and that is actually creating a new tree node. So I create a tree node, I name it cur, and it equals root. So now what I do is while cur does not equal null, or whoa, what's going on with everything? Or stack does not equal empty. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go into this while loop. And we're going to do another while loop. So it's like a nested while loop. And it's cur. Now, I memorized this because I've been I learned this. And then I just started kind of going through all of the easy binary tree problems. And, this is like the first thing that I do. I just kind of do this problem over and over again to kind of make sure that it prints out. And then try to actually solve the problem with what it's giving me. So yeah, cur is not equal to null. Then we're going to go into this while loop. And we're going to do stack dot push, and we're going to push cur, and then cur is going to equal cur dot next, or cur dot left, sorry, because we're going as far left as we can. And also I think that's it. So then yeah, cur equals cur dot left, and it's just going to keep pushing them, keep pushing them. And then out of that, we're just going to cur equals stack dot pop, so that we're going back 1, and also the stack goes back 1. If that makes sense, because cur is going to equal null, and then you have to go back to the most previous node. So then after that, you're going to go into this, and you're going to add it to the list. So result dot add cur dot val, and then we're going to do cur equals cur dot right. We're going to see if there's anything to the right of it, and then we're going to go left again after going into the right, and then if there's nothing left, then we just add it, and then we go right. It's just going to keep on happening. And this should be the answer. I think all I have to do now is just return result. And sorry, I will run it. Hopefully this passes. Oh no, it didn't pass because I spelled integer wrong. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I didn't spell anything else wrong. Nice, everything passed. So yeah, I don't know if I explained this the best, but hopefully I did with like I tried to do the visual with the mouse, but yeah, this is a nice starter binary tree problem, and I like binary trees now. I actually like working with those problems the most at the moment. That could just be because I'm learning them, but I don't know. Really like them. I have a good time with them. And I'm just going to keep on improving on Leetcode and improving at my job. And I'm actually switching up my style of content. So this entire time, I have been getting my degree and trying to get a job. And I knew that the day would come where I would have a job and the content would no longer be on the same path. But I always wanted it to still be computer science related. So a lot of times when I get on YouTube and I'm just looking, a lot of what I see is fitness YouTubers, and they're making content and it's all cinematic and cool and stuff. But what does that have to do with code? Well, I was going to incorporate code with that. So then there was this one guy, he's a software engineer, and he does like the fitness content, but he does the coding. It's like a day in the life, but like productivity. It's nice, and it gave me the idea to do what I always did with like projects and Leetcode, and just make it vlog style, just throw this right in the middle, nice content, and just continue to make content. So it was either that or just kind of leave it where it was at, because the goal was to get a job, get the degree, and get the degree, get the job, if I wanted to say it in order. And that's what happened. And I could have just left it at that. And just, if anyone else wanted to come and literally see the journey from beginning to end, they could. And that's the end of the story. Or I could just keep on going for some reason. But yeah, I guess I'll just keep on going. Why not? So that's what I'm going to do. But with that being said, thank you for watching. I am on Instagram. My name is jordancs.js. I am on X. My name is jordancs. I am on Discord. The link is going to be in the description to join that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. Hopefully I'm not missing out any links. I actually haven't said this thing in a while. It's been 2 months. But yeah, thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are